We have this kind of principle I've shared in previous workshops, but it's worth returning to, Mr. Hartunian, and it's this.
Trying to sound smart is a pretty dumb strategy.
Yeah, no professor, no judge is going to read your writing, be confused by it, and think, you know what, I'm just not smart enough to understand Mr. Hartunian. What they're going to conclude is Mr. Hartunian's not smart enough to put his ideas in a clear manner. And so we have a corollary principle, which is this, Mr. Hartunian.
Making your reader feel smart is a freaking brilliant strategy.
If a judge can read your motion and think that they've understand something new, or there's been clarity about the Fourth Amendment or about what a motion dismissed is for, that's a real achievement as a lawyer. And it's something that we can see in a bunch of people's writing. Like, this is why people like reading Malcolm Gladwell. You read his pieces in the New Yorker or his books, you feel like you're learning stuff, or the poetry of Maya Angelou, or the Stephen Dubner and Stephen Levitt who write the Freakonomics books, where they break down these really complicated concepts into a simple way. You leave feeling like, oh my goodness, I learned something. I know something now that I didn't know before. And a lot of that has to do with the writing, and a lot of it has to do with this one move in writing, which we're going to focus on, which is moving from old information to new information.